Need reliable automotive window tinting in Murfreesboro, TN? Welcome to Tint Guy LLC, your trusted local tinting professionals. We specialize in high-performance tint that protects, cools, and enhances your ride. Whether it's a daily driver or your weekend car, our tint makes it better. Block intense heat and harmful UV rays with advanced window film. Enjoy a cooler interior and a sleeker look that turns heads. Our tint reduces glare and protects your vehicle's interior from fading. It also adds a layer of privacy and safety for every trip. We use only top-tier film backed by manufacturer warranties, and our experienced team guarantees a clean, flawless installation. Every car we tint gets the same expert care. No shortcuts, no compromises. We're locally owned and proud to serve the Murfreesboro community. Our customers come to us for quality, reliability, and honest service. Ready to upgrade your vehicle with tint that performs and lasts? Call us today at 650-410-38AF to schedule your appointment. Visit tintguyllc.com to learn more and request a free quote. Trust Tint Guy LLC for reliable automotive window tinting in Murfreesboro, TN, because your car deserves the best.